Hi, in last video, we implemented different kind of 2D transformations. Let's get started with 3D. Same as before, the code for this video can be found on video description. Left side of the code is the code for this rotating 3D shapes. And the code on the right side is the code on the next video for the 2D transformations. There are some changes need to be made for support 3D. Let's take a look of them one by one. On the vertex shader, we have to change the position from length of 2 to length of 3. Same for the resolutions. And for the transformation matrix, we have to change it from 3 by 3 to 4 by 4. That's for the changes in the shader part. And in the configuration, in the buffer configuration specifically, we have to change the data size from 2 to 3. So now we are passing x, y, and z. And for the draw arrays, we have to change the length from divided by 2 to divided by 3. Because we are using 3 value to represent a point. So if we have an array with live value, we are representing 3 points. And at last, the transformation matrix. So in last video on the code, I implemented the transformation matrix. Let's take a look at the 3D version. So if we want to implement the translation, we are just using this matrix for the x. And the result will be x plus tx, y plus ty, z plus tz, 1. We have to specify this one in vertex shader. So here. The other changes on transformation matrix are almost the same. You can take a look on the code. So let's try to get something done in 3D. So let me close this recording, close Xmind. How to draw the axis? Same as before. We can just set some points. So let me just delete those points. Say if I want to draw in point from 0, 0, 0 to 600, 600, 600, and this is a 9. I can just disable this rotation matrix, multiply 0, multiply 0. And we can also draw a line through 600 to 0. So that's 9. And if we draw 3 lines, this is gonna be the axis. Let me change it back. Counter. You may be wondering, what does this translation do? Since I did the translation first and minus the same effect, if I change the 300 to 1, you may find that this axis is rotated based on the left upper point. So that's how we set the transformation origin in WebGL. We just move the whole thing and did the translation here and move it back. So that's how the transformation origin implemented. Let's try to drive a cube. instead of drawing this shape, I'm going to remove all the point and draw a cube. The center point is 300, 300, 300. And just draw some points. So 200, 200, 200, and 200, 400. 400. So this is 2 lines and it's made from 4 points. Let's collect those points. So I'm going to so that's a basic shape. Six, 7, 8. Okay, we just implemented the cube. And you can just try whatever you want and play with these rotations. For example, I can change the rotation to another value or make it quicker. Just play with it. I recommend you to just check out the code and play it with yourself. That's it for today. In next video, I'm going to show how to use the camera and how to implement the perspective. Thanks for your time. See you.